This is a Fair Price initiative. Hola, hola, bafethu sanibonani makhaya. Welcome to another episode of Kasi Hustlers, brought to you by Fair Price. Namhlanje sohlangana noMabutho. Mabutho is a hustler, and this frying pan has paid lobola for his mother. Now we are going to find out ukuthi le hustling for how long it has been there, ngoba it has raised a family. Welcome to another episode of Kasi Hustlers.
Hi Sanmanani, good afternoon, good morning, depending on ukuthi uzoyibukela nini this broadcast. Igama lami uMabutho Mufugeng. I am based at 8412 Mabelebele Street, Pimville Zone 6. So Sigatamidas la sikhona. It was an establishment eyaqala ngo-1982, or rather the originator umuntu wayiqala ngo-1982, that being my father. So my father was a former manager at KFC back then, and due to challenges of the time, he then lost his job. Now bekangafuni ukuba umuntu ohlalayo nje and be idle, so he then decided, with the experience ayithola lapha KFC, to then start a business like us. So like us, what he then decided to do was to sell something ebizwa ngokuthi ama-4-1. So ama-4-1 lawa is basically i-4-sly, ama-chips in a French, and then that's how the business started. So bokuyi-4-1, bokuyi-4-2, bokuyi-4-3, bese kube yi-4-4, a last number of it. So that's how it then started. And then as ikhathi zilibele ziya zihamba nani, we then decided, or they rather decided, ukuthi ba change kube ilento esiyibiza the modern day kota. So manje, that's how ikota like us started. And apparently, so I'm not too sure, but apparently Itamalami was amongst the first people at Pimville to actually sell ikota.
Okay.
So I can't be sure, I wasn't born at that time.
Sure.
So Itamalami, that's what he did. And then fast forward that to Tina sizalwa ngaboma 90s, abo 91, 2, 3 and so sithola vele imile business. And then because of the experience yakhe itime, he then taught us a couple of things, one of those things being accounting. Now, you cannot run a business without understanding the principles or even basic principles of accounting. So that's what I was taught, or we were taught as abantwana bakhe utamidas. And then we then salibele siqhubeka nani. And one of the challenges that we then faced as umndeni was the fact that he hand to mouth, you know, as indlu emnyama, not being in a position of being taught financial literacy. Now you are taught imali, ukuthi i-10 rand yini, but you're not necessarily taught ukuthi i-10 rand ingakutholelani. So
How to manage the 10
how
rand.
to manage a 10 rand layer. So that's what we are not taught. You, if you're lucky enough and if you're honest enough with yourself as well, you put yourself in a position of learning, of understanding which, okay, so magne 10 rand, this is what a 10 rand can get me. So yeah, so those are some of the lessons that we learned as a family, being taught the way sa fundiswa ngakhona. And then another challenge again is currently in the current modern day is amazambane. The prices of amazambane, yeah, because you find ukuthi literally yesterday isakeli one was like 75 rand, and then today it's like 100 rand. So you then have to be creative in how you offer products akho. So how do you keep the same quality ngapha price yakubulala wena? How do you ethingithi customers akho angakhali ngawe, yangithola, because you also need to maintain a business, and as well you also need to maintain the quality of a product that abantu they know you for. So it's quite a balancing act, but that this is what makes business fun and nice, the party balancing act as well. So those are some of the challenges that we face as a business, but we soldier on. Yeah.
So a timer. So you're saying there's a frying pan.
Yeah. Oh.
Do you know how many years?
So a frying pan layer has been here like from 1982. Yeah, so firstborn yakababam, ubabami this year njengoba ku 2024, he's 74 years old. So firstborn kababami una 40, waka 83, March 15, 1983. And then ukuba nomshini that's actually older than firstborn eTamalami.
Yeah.
So it has been going kanjalo to until manje, which is 2024. So it's a push. So if I'm not mistaken, probably it's like so like impatho basically. It's this is where ngalo mshini, as simple and as basic as the frying pan is, what he taught me is impatho, how to respect ama resources akho as a person first, and as a business owner, how do you respect your own business? Because lento investor kuyo yezokugaya inyoko futhi yezokugaya leso sithunzi osifuna emphakathini. So that's what the simple lessons I've learned from Utamidas as well. So leya mshini man, yeah.
So the machine has fed from firstborn feeder now.
Yeah. So basically, because singakhetha imene siyi-4. So is feeder, so you-4. Loya mshini loya, as simple and as basic as it is. Isifake egela, siye egela zama IT, ama IT student graduate, ngisha 3 years, and it's through loya mshini loya. Intwana yami is study teaching currently through lo mshini loya. Ibruket lami was study drama through that machine. So it's idlozi.
Yeah, idlozi the machine. Yeah. No, like in time when you should uphathe kahle ngifana le machine, uphathe le machine.
And another thing ngifuna ukuyimention futhi, a funny thing actually is that so time lami no oled lami bashada ngo 1990. mabeshada ngo-1990 imali yamalobolo was actually gotten through umshini loya. So le mshini loya has a very special place in our family's hearts. So this is why we then respect it. Nanoma yazi uqhuga nyana, you know, you like cela unga yazi uthelela nesniff.
Ukuthi imali emfethu yazi ngizoba ningozi nami simele izidlela kuyo.
Hayi unikhona ingozi.
Iyadla nayo la.
Iyadla nayo.
Lama chips abuyada.
Idla da and ne crash yakhe ngihafa ngayo le mali yomshini.
Wow.
So the mshini lona it's very special to us as a family. Yeah.
So in terms of the legacy, because ukhuluma nge-legacy family. Yeah. How does it feel to take over, you know, to handle the legacy family?
So you know, at first, because nathi singabantwana through our parents' encouragement, so umzali wakho encourages you to go to school because yena akazange or never had the opportunity of actually going to school. So now they sometimes live vicariously through you. Ukuthi yazi ngoba mina zange ngiye esikolweni manje ngifisa sengathi lo angahamba ayesikolweni, which is umntanami. And then when growing up in that, you then now develop your own personality. You like as in uqala rebellious and then you then want to follow your own footsteps and your own dreams. And you find ukuthi what was started at Jardine awilandeli because you've got your own dreams, you've got what you think the world wants from you or has for you. Kanti if you and actually follow lokhu okwaqala kini eJardine, you might find ukuthi it's actually something ekuwe vele. So the interesting thing is that I feel as though people or umhlaba right now is actually messed up because people are busy chasing other people's gifts. So size sayipha negama elihle sathi passion. So I think and I believe ukuthi people are frustrated out there in the world because they invest so much time in chasing other people's gifts. Kanti if you were to focus on your gift, find your gift and actually just ulayite, just be isibonelo emphakathini, you know. So that's what I think, and so that's why the legacy project. So manje,
the legacy now is here.
So the legacy is here.
Umama now, and then umama ke naye ke imela sitshele ukuthi imali yamalobola yala ekhaya uyaphi, ngoba sesiyazi ukuthi ukhona umshini ofika imali yamalobola. Sizwile mama ukuthi namhlanje ubomama kwala ekhaya na umshini ofraya ama chips mama. So mama ngingasitshela nje story ngale just under a minute about, you know, the legacy yalo mshini.
Igama lami nguThuli ngwakaqindi, ngiyengathandana nobaba 1987. Then uthe ubaba ehambeni kwethu okuthandana uthe ubaba mayifuna ukulobola bekelibele ebhanka ama 1 rand nama 2 rand nama 5, mayiceda ukuthengisa nje beke nesikotokoto alahlela kuso imali. Ithe makethi kimi ufuna ukuzongilobola, ngathi mina ngani ngoba unamali, wathi don't worry imali nginayo. Ngathi mina iphi? Wathi uzoyibona wena the day yamalobolo. Ngahamba ngaye ekhaya ngayohlala khona iviki. Ngithenge ngakusasa kwakhona mangizoyolotsholo, sahambisa imali engaka egarage ukuthi bayositshintshela yona bayenza amaphepha. Kusho ukuthi mina ngalotshola kahle kahle ngemali yama chips, ngemali ya business.
Wow. So how do you feel about that mama? You know, mangixoxa nje nobaba.
Ngizizwa ngijabule kabi yiko le business ngiyithanda kangaka. ukuthi namhlanje ngiyakwazi ukuyimela noma ngabe ifogola kangakanani kodwa ngiyazama ukulwa ukuthi ime ngoba ngeza ngayo la ekhaya.
Wow, nice. Indodana ngapha lo yasitshela ithi lo mshini lo yani ubaba taught him ukuthi kumele uthi awu respect. Kumele ukuthi awuphathe kahle. And it's so interesting because it's a very good story and it's emotional. You know, knowing ukuthi he respect into yazi ukuthi ibakhulisile uyasho ukuthi you know lo mshini lo yana nje usikhulisile. It's the same machine esisesikolweni sonke and it's the same machine enaye today afida umntana. You know, yeah, no mama, this is very nice. Yes. No. It's a touchy story. It's a very touchy story. Yeah. So mama, like in terms of abanye abomama, yiphi advice ungabapha yona nge-life nje ngempilo ngebusiness futhi?
Engakusho ukuthi ukubekezela kudala impumelelo, uhambe ngamandla onawo, ungajahi, ngelinye ilanga uzophumelela. Ngoba i-business namhlanje iyakuvuma kusasa ayikuvumi. Kungathi ngalelanga engakuvumanga ngalo bese soya give up. Ubekezele uyozofika la ufuna ukuya khona.
Wow. Siyabonga. Thank you.
For me, what I would say and recommend is just respect in the gift yakho. You know, how you know ukuthi into is your gift. You know it by ukuthi mawuyenza, you don't even struggle. So it's something you can actually do without putting in much effort, you know. So for me, I'd say please respect i-craft yasejardini, because it's something ezophakamisa. So for me, I'd say please just respect okwasekhaya kwasejardini, because it's a legacy project. So asichubekeni ngama legacy wasemajardini bafowethu. That's what my message. Yeah.
So ngicela siyobona kumshini mfethu.
Oh.
Yeah. Just ukuthi no like ama viewers awubone kumshini.
Yeah.
M2. Right. Mina mfuna ukuthi usitshele ngecheza nje. Okay.
Wena.
Nali ke ledlozi bafethu idlozi. This is the machine that has made a family like I.
Yeah.
It's a machine that has seen it all from 1982. 1982. So lo machine lo ukhulisa abantwana abaleka. Through lo machine kunomama like I.
Yeah.
Ilobola yakhe ibuya kuyo lo machine.
Yeah.
Ithama isikhokho. Ithama isikhokho. Yakutshela ithama isikhokho. Yeah, no, this is nice. Yeah, no, but you know what, we wish you good luck. Ukuthi izinto zichange, yabona. Yeah, njengoba mhlambe silana ePim TV. Lo sincede iFairprice futhi ukuthi sithola ama resources ukuthi sini, yabona. Yeah, ngoba siyazi ukuthi imali ku market ayikho. At least masikhuthaza umphakathi ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi you know into zethu. Yithi ke sibamba time.
Alright.
Yeah, asitshela ukuthi imali yamalobola ibiyaphi. Yeah.
Baba.
About time.
Kancane pha.
Well, sizwile ukuthi imali yamalobola ibuya somewhere la kulo mshini lo ama chips.
Yeah.
Cela nje usinike nje kancane nje story.
Uriseza ngenye indlela.
Yebo.
Yilokhu ngihamba khona ngapha. Ngathola ukuthi hayi kufuneka ngithola umuntu ongazongincedisa.
Yebo.
Hawu. Ngoba ngangisebenza ngenye indlela engayazi kwakugcwala kube sengathi yazi kuse stadium yeah
kubhizi
kubhizi ngendlela esimanga
ba
so ngase ngithi uma ngibona umama lo eza la ezothenga hayi
what jackpot
yeah kwatholakala ukuthi hayi mhlawumbe besivele sikhethiwe ukuthi sibonane
exactly yeah
no 83 yabona
okay
yeah kwaba up to this time
so imali yamalobolo ibiya
well ngangibeka nje okuncane
yeah
khona la nginomthengisa la
okay so mama kahle umthole umlobole ngemali yama chips
kakhulu
yebo ba yeah
abanye bade chips yona chips bathi yabona ke mayenza njalo
yeah
ngizathi ningaphindi nizothenga
yeah sikhathila lehlamo lihlore
lihloreko wena liyasinya
yeah lenzele ri chips mara you get end of the day re bua ka story semnate ntate and a story se khothatsang le ba bang so ntate mhloma ka fana ka molaetsa ho bontate ba bang
well ho bontate ba bang o se ka sheba holo homme ipontshe homme hore o motho ya jwang ha o bula ntho e ka reng ke spaza kapa o ya makhone mmole o etsa mole o tshwantse o bone hore bomme a ntse ba feta mo ko feng e nka mmonang hore a ka tlotla dula le nna jwale le nna ha etsala jwalo
okay
itsa ntsa tla tlo reka le se re kopana
ndai
till today yeah
so ha bo mme ba tsebe hore tsheta magadi ba ijile itswa di chips
kitse re pate
ka ba itse
bane na kwengwe ntsantse tla batla re o ko re latele tšhelete ya di chips ngale ga ikwala sa taba ya rona le bona bana ya ke thabile haholo hore ngwanaka wa o qala abe mokana ka baka la tsona di
chips tse
ho ja ka ba le letsole letle financially ke le hola
ntate ha ino le na ke ya bona
straight
ke ya bona no mara ha o lato bane mora ke yo unkile marapo le yena
ke thabile haholo
o di ka o ketsa matla hore dintho di tswele pele le yena mohlomo wa mothotseng ka di chips
o ska bonto tsamayntso
dula onamo o tlatla motho
o tlata
Yeah.
o tla mo bona hore yenwa
Yeah.
le a ho ka thwe ha khutlele hae
ha khutlele hae
ke soka ke lahlela tse pedi tse tharo
ya njani
jwale le yena o ntsa le moo thabile haholo
no le nna ke thabile ntate ya thabisa haholo ya no ntate
bane aim ya ka e ne le hore ka mo e be close ka mona e be ntho e kang ye jwale man jalo ka go yetsa hore
no a holla
o jo jwale
ana holla
wa tseba nka thaba
ana holla
ebile ke a qala ho bua le motho a bue le nna ka mo ho bua ka
ana holla ntate
nka le mo ha ho
bila tswele mo mshanyana eno ke modima tseba mo re kopane jwang mo re di fitle
au
ina le lebaka ntate
au bana no ke a le mo mshanisi ke a le bala ho
no ntate msebetsi wa rona go etsa sure setšhaba sa Harantsho se a tseba ka business ena ene hape le go kgothatsa hao mantswe a hao go tla iwa pele re tla bua
thank you brother ke a le mo
no so mchinole so how senye mchinole o lokiswa ke ba
na
go ra o so ka o senye
o senyehile hobane e tshwantse be mebedi
wa no o sebetsa
o mongwe
o so kgathetse
so
ke mang o lokisang ha o qala o kula o le ka mane
konje ubani olungisayo Thulzini umshini lo owama-chips mawuphukile
Oh, okay. So, niyavula mama nibe busy.
ngiyakwazi ukuvula ngokuhlanganisa.
Yeah. No, ufanele ngoba uyazi ukuthi ubuyaphi lo mshini. Engiyasho baba ukuthi uthe ungakhulumi ekhaya kini ukuthi imali ibuya la ema-chips. So auntie usisi wakho whoever azangitshela. Azange batshela ukuthi nina ilobola yami ibuya le ema-chipsini. Bazoyazi yena.
Noma bawadla ama-chips ngibabheke ngithi yanazi.
All right, Nasbon. Okay.
Okay, so this originally was in a spaza shop. So now, because of my challenges, we then decided to pivot. So pivoting meaning we then had to look at other alternatives of making a difference in the community.
Okay.
So this is how we then offer my tutoring lessons. So we also teach abantwana chess.
Oh.
Yeah, so we teach chess, and this is also a portal for young kids to inspire imagination
Okay.
through play. So this is what we then do as a family as well.
Who's teaching each chess, man?
So it's my younger brother, Sinamuvu Mfuke.
Okay.
So he's the one that does
Oh,
that, yeah.
so he's a chess master.
Yeah, because he wants at some point he was representing the Gauteng regional.
Wow. Uvaya namanje.
So manje usakhapha abantwana because he had a lesson earlier on. So usakhapha abantwana manje.
All right.
Is on 14.
Okay. So then how does one mhlambe benzana abantwana they register for becoming part? Is there a fee to be taught chess?
So what we do, it's a form of rehabilitation. It's a form of wanting to inspire critical thinking amongst young children.
Correct.
Because we find that you can't just teach the commercial way. You then need to have abantu young who are critical thinkers.
Oh yes.
So this is why chess comes into play. This is why educational play comes into play. So that umntwana thinks deeper about their own problems. They are able to think deeper for solutions. So you can't just have umntwana that thinks on the surface of the problem. But you need to go deeper in order for you to find a solution.
Okay.
So that then yenza ukuthi umntwana abe umuntu positive emphakathini. Yenza ukuthi umntwana abe na something to do. Not just ukuthi umntwana but an idle mind because
yes.
So that's what we're trying to fight.
All right. Okay.
So in terms of fee, so if ubafundisa chess, there's no fee.
Okay.
But however, due to lentuzana tutoring lessons, so umntwana one simcharge 250.
Okay.
So 250 lena simcharge kungaba probably mhlawumbe struggle all 7 subjects. Then we then tutor and assist in all 7 subjects. So we don't separate because we're struggling in maths. Also, battle 250, science 250.
Oh, so
250. So
it's all inclusive in the package.
Yeah.
So the 250 layer they get all the lessons of all the subjects. Struggling. Nice.
And this part of what we do in 2018.
Okay.
So since 2018, Slibelenje push us press as Slibele cells. And then we are then proud to say of all the students, SSA Tinta in Bilozabo, there's one student to say UCT.
Wow.
Igama lakhe uNontombi waseZola 3.
Wow.
She's being raised by a single mom.
Yeah.
So it's just unfortunate that we couldn't get our numbers so that she can then testify.
No, I think look, as time goes,
Yeah.
at least isihlangane, then seal umntwana, and then again, ibe testimony.
Yeah.
All right. No, this is nice, bro.
So
is
this
nice.
is what we.
So yeah, and I can see okay, like my shelf, it was a spaza. So Ben, mawubekile the challenges ezabakhona that push closure like of the spaza, amapi.
So for me, I'd say with the influx of undocumented people or
Yeah.
persons, because now when they come in, mhlambe ake sithi for argument's sake kuthengisa ama-baked beans. So ican ama-baked beans wona mhlambe ulithengisa nge-20 rand. So because bona bastocka in bulk, bakhona ukuthi balithengise nge-12 rand, bakhona ukuthi balithengise nge-11 rand. So now obviously you're gonna go where ipokoto lakho ilikufavor khona. So you're obviously gonna go to 11 rand rather than
20 rand, yeah.
So it's those kind of challenges esesabhekana nazo ukuthi with the influx and then and also not to blame external factors as well. So what I have found as a challenge, probably I don't know whether it's unique to us as a business or it's unique to the black race in general, but the relationship with money.
Oh yeah.
So you find Uti, because you've got a business, you've got a form of income, then you wanna personalize low income there. So what I mean by that, ufuna ukuthi low income as angaleso spaza shop leso, ufuna ukuthenga izinto zakho as a lifestyle. So you want to sustain your lifestyle ngemali ye business. Kanti, I think we need to respect a business. See, separate ukuthi kune business, kune lifestyle. So that was some of the challenges. And again, njengoba wazi ukuthi as indle mnyama, sometimes we will live off of a hand to mouth.
Yes.
So I'd say also another contributing factor is poor financial management. That was also another challenge, factor as well. So, but we've since worked through all of that. You know, how to separate a business, how to separate a personal or lifestyle.
Yes.
We've since managed to turn that around. Yeah.
Wow. No, great. Okay.
So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I just want to thank IPIM TV for actually coming through bazo profile business asekhaya, and engathi bangakhula, actually bazokhula, they must grow. So I'd like to thank IPIM TV for their support, for the encouragement, and Nololude Maluju Tina Masisho. Thank you.
So those who want to bless abantwana for riches. Phone numbers. So
for those that are interested or want to bring abantwana babo for recreational activities, la 8412 Mapelepele Street, Pimville Zone 6. Amanamba ungawafonela, it's 073 313 8025. Another one is 082 795 4793. So umntana kuma ngabe ufuna ukumletha lana for recreational activities as well as tutoring services, so you can bring them or you can call on those numbers. Okwamanje, we don't have any social media, but we are working on it. So your support is highly appreciated, and see you soon. Ngiyabonga. Danko.